28 years, the family of Mio Amore has been serving consistently good quality products at an affordable price.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to have a plum and fruit cake. Did you know that Mio Amore is an Italian word which roughly translates to my love?
Ruffled FoodZpah, pick up from Mio Amore.
Thank you. Christmas is the time for decadent fun, and this particular brand has been able to carve a niche for itself in all of our hearts over the years. With over 275 outlets as of today, I think it's very safe to say that Kolkata and Bengal have accepted Mio Amore as a part of its daily routine, and it is in absolute love with the brand. তাই জন্যই আমরা সবাই বলি সবার স্বাদের এক ঠিকানা আমাদের সবার প্রিয় মিও আমোরে। So these are the Christmas special cakes which are here. As I can count, there are 11 of them, right?
Yeah, we call our showstopper cake the fruit cake.
Okay.
This is the first fruit cake which we are offering. It costs around 175.
Okay. Plum cake next, right? This is one of my favorites. I love plum cakes from everywhere. Alright. So this is something I would love to have. Let's just open this.
Yeah.
So this is a plum cake from Mio Amore. What do we have next?
Another fruit cake. Another fruit cake, but it's rich in butter.
Okay. It's more buttery.
It's more buttery, yes.
This is my favorite.
Yes.
This is a date walnut,
Yes,
right?
this is the date walnut premium loaf.
Okay. This is my favorite. I love the slices over here. But I'm told that this is a creamier version of the
Yes.
slices which you're having.
It's more rich, more
buttery.
Yeah, more butter.
Okay, great. ये तो definitely I want a tea cake.
It's like a tea cake, very rich, very buttery.
It's very heavy. That's one thing.
Yes.
I need to try this out. How much is this price tag?
It is 295.
Okay. See how excited I get with the cake. I am still like a child. It's like a cool
It's just need to come down.
Fantastic.
So we call it an Eno seal.
It's beautiful. It's not dry. Even when I'm holding on to it, I can see the little bit of a shine which this has. Not just the raisins. It's pretty good. Definitely try
It's
this.
very well baked.
It's like a
It has-
big muffin.
Yeah.
That's what it is, like a big muffin. Great. This one I remember having it last time. This is
our Dundee cake.
okay.
We are offering this in a metal container.
It's like a giftable,
yes,
right?
It's like giftable. You can gift it. We have 3 of this kinds of container cakes.
Before we move there, we have another of your variants. What is special about
This is an eggless version.
Okay.
Eggless. We have to offer an eggless
We
cake.
have a lot of
Yes.
such people
Yeah.
on
So it's
FoodZpah
an
for
eggless
sure.
fruit cake.
Great, fantastic. That's very thoughtful of you to have something for
And
vegetarians.
we are offering it for 250 rupees.
Great, that's really good. So I think this is going to find a lot of takers. Now this, what is this?
This is a kind of a fusion of fruit cake and chocolate and cherry. You see?
Chocolate and
That's
cherry.
why we name it Choco Cherry.
Okay. Choco cherry.
Choco cherry,
This
yeah.
was one of my favorite ones last year. I remember being sent a lot of cakes last time from Mio Amore, and this particular one I did not remember the name, but Choco cherry, that is what actually rings a lot of bells. This is the cake which
And the chocolate we are using here, it's Belgian.
Belgian chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was priced at around 550 last year.
It's 500.
500. All right. So this particular thing, I'm going to taste it and I'm going to give you a review. for sure, this particular item. I'm not going to be eating all 11 cakes, that's not possible. I think I've already handpicked the ones which I'm going to have. This for sure. 8 walnut cake as well as plum cake. These 3 I'm going to try. What do we have here?
Choco fudge.
Okay.
Shabazz, this is for people who have, craze for chocolate,
Absolutely.
So it is kind of a fantasy for them.
Finally, this gigantic piece over here.
Yeah.
This one is, what is this?
This is a royal fruit cake, as the name, as you said, gigantic.
Absolutely.
It is full of fruits. There are some,
Whoa.
these are all dry fruits. Box, very presentable, so that you can just gift it to someone.
So these are the special season special cakes why we are here. But that just does not end there. They have, you were telling me something behind camera about a blueberry cake which you introduced.
So we have recently come up with a blueberry cake. You can see here.
Okay, this one over here.
Yeah. So there is a blueberry puree on top.
Okay.
And some dry fruits on that. And people have started loving it because we see there is a
Blueberry, I think there's a separate fan base for blueberry in Kolkata.
even our orders are picking up, so we understand.
And it does not end there. There's one thing very special I want you all to come and see. I got very excited when I came. Of course, Mio Amore is everything sweet, but it doesn't end there. We have some amazing savory items over here too. The one thing which really caught my attention was this.
Paneer.
Nargisi kebab.
Yes.
So that's something that looks massive. I'm definitely going to be having that. Also, the internet which you normally we were sent
Right.
huge piles of internet before.
So this time, this internet, Shabazz, it's 5G. As the name says, okay, great. Because we have worked on the internet, you see the patterns are more decorative. They are more regular.
Absolutely.
And it tastes
Easier to
better
cook,
than
easier
before.
to eat. It's much more convenient. So what we'll be doing is we'll be trying out some of the special cakes which I have handpicked. We're also going to try out the cake which was the
Blueberry puree.
the blueberry puree cake, and I'm going to try out my favorite items from this section because without trying out the savouries over here, I don't think my day is complete. So I have skipped my lunch in order to make sure that I'm going to try out as many items from here as possible, as well as give you a little bit of a glimpse of how the items look once it is in my mouth or on its way. In case we've forgotten, I think this one thing which skipped our mind, this particular thing over here, I think it is trending on FoodZpah for the last 1.5 weeks. That is the red velvet cake which is trending right now everywhere, including FoodZpah. I have not taken a bite of this yet. Imagine FoodZpah te atogulo post hoye geche. I think all of FoodZpahs have already had this, and this is going to be my first bite. So the first bite at this particular outlet for the season's special Christmas vlog, Mio Amore, goes to this one. It's very buttery, not over sweet at all. There's a reason why people are raving about this. The crew for the day helping us with the shoot, we have Arghya, who is a FoodZpah vlog moderator.
Hi.
And we have Aman, who is one of the founder members of FoodZpah. What's up, guys? Excited about today? Excited about Christmas?
Yes, pretty much. Yeah.
What are you looking forward to today?
For a Christmas vlog from FoodZpah.
वो तो बाद में आएगा. अभी क्या हो रहा है? Vlog के बाद.
Trying out the Christmas special cakes.
You are great. First cake which I'm going to be trying out today, this is the plum cake, alright? Let me just tear this open like a child first. This is what the cake looks like. Very moist. It's pretty heavy, which means that it has a good amount of moisture in it. It's not going to be too dry. Has a generous mix of dry fruits in this. Like I've mentioned, a very big put off for these cakes is when it is very dry. And this one is not. Not very sweet too, so just the way I like it. This has an aftertaste of the Indian spices, a little garam masala which you get once you're done having the first bite. Next up we have a date walnut, which I've mentioned. This is my favorite. Has a lot of dry fruits again. It's very hard when you're trying to cut, which means it has a lot of ingredients. Just see how it is. I'm going to take a smaller helping for myself because you know why. This too feels very moist. It is pretty heavy, so it's filled with a lot of goodness. Zishan was right about this. With each bite, you're getting butter. Alright? Again, not very sweet. That has been the hallmark of the cakes at Mio Amore over the years. I think they've even gotten less sweet with each passing year, taking feedbacks of you and I. I think this, by leaps and bounds, overhauls the one which I had before this. This is amazing. I think it was getting so sweet, so we've decided on having savouries in between. So the first two savouries which I'm having, I've already mentioned how excited I was with this. Okay, so this is an egg which I see that this has a stuffing of, this is mutton, so mutton. There's also some potato to hold it together, and then you have the coating, which is breadcrumbs. This is like a meal in itself. Just one advice for you, whenever you're having this, make sure that it is piping hot. Mine was standing there because I was doing the shoot, so it's a little cold. So I would enjoy it more if it's hot, but this has a lot of stuff in this, a lot of mutton. Even the egg yolk which you see, it's pretty fresh. It's very good. This internet has a re-look, a leaner look, a cleaner look. It's a very popular item. It needs no introduction at Mio Amore. It's like a legendary item. See how fresh this is. You can see it's shining on top. You have to be very lucky if you get your hands on the freshest of pieces over here. You need to be very tactical about the timing when you enter the shop. Obviously, the same thing is not going to taste the same if it is at the end of the day. But you need to get your hands on these beauties while they are still very fresh. I think no Christmas vlog, or no Christmas for that matter, is complete without trying out authentic plum cake. This is what it's like. This is sweeter of the lot. The three items which we've tried, this is the sweetest among them. Ingredient which is here, this is the murabba. So you get this crunchiness, the sweet crunchiness when you take a bite. Next up we have the choco cherry. Wow, this has so much of chocolate chips inside and good quality chocolate, mind you, okay? It's not something which is going to be very buttery or leaving a kind of a bad experience. This is top quality chocolate chips, a lot of chocolate drizzled on top as well, some cherries, dry fruits, cake. This is going to be a season's hit for sure. You have to give this one a try. Chicken olive sub. Once again, another very popular item over here. This has some dressing, some olives, chicken, a lot of cheese, and special homemade bread. Very good. The bread is soft. The chicken is good in flavors. It has good flavors. Just the right amount of dressing, not overdressed, not underdressed. Just perfect for the scene. You see this cheek kebabs over here. It's fantastic. So next up we have a chunky chicken burger. So you have your bun. This is why it's called chunky. So you have these chunks of chicken with some amount of dressing. No lettuce, no salads. So preferred seeing at least some amount. This Had this just been a chicken dish, it would have been good. But somehow, as a burger, I'm not very sure. Because it's lacking the crunchiness of veggies or some amount of change of flavors. This is just a very flat, one taste kind of a dish. So, I've had better burgers than this. See how fine I've cut this? It's well intact, it's not falling off. It's made of fresh cream. It's pretty fresh. Perfect amount of water in this cake. It's not too much which would make it very heavy. It's not too less which would make it just disintegrate. So this is a pretty light, a very smooth cake which you're looking for. If you're looking for something which is mild yet tasty, then this is your option. Next up, we're trying out some patties as well as chicken singara. Now, whenever it is either Mio Amore or any other outlet or any other brand for that matter, it's very important that you know which are the items which you should order. Now, I have very carefully and skillfully kept the pizzas out of this menu because the pizza experience which we've had over here were not good at all. So pizzas, even cutlets for that matter, these are not items which you should give a try, at least upon my recommendations. But patties is something which looked pretty light today, so this looks very fresh. So I thought let's give this one a try. Very crispy, very fluffy, very airy. This is very good, very fresh. The samosas, the reason I'm ordering this today is I've had a feedback which I wanted to give you guys. That the samosa was over here, the coating at least, it always disintegrates. It's very soft, as you can see, it comes off. So I would prefer them to come up with a solution for this which would make it a little more crispy. The filling is very good, it has a lot of chicken, tastes very good. But I'm not satisfied with the coating of this. So they should definitely work on this. How was your experience trying out all the season special items? Aman first.
It was really good. I really like the choco cherry cake.
Savory items, what did you like?
On the savory, I like that olive roll.
Yes, that was very nice. What about you, Aman?
I like the chicken olive sub, like you mentioned. And I also like the chicken internet, the newer version.
The newer version is much better, right?
Yeah,
much
more
improved.
flaky,
Yes. So that was our experience at Mio Amore. We had
Wait. Shehbaz, no way we can let you go like this without letting you try our royal fruit cake.
one more cake.
Yes, it's loads of fruits, dry fruits, apricot, baby lemon, baby orange, cashew, you name it, you have it here. So this is the showstopper cake which you can say, which Mio Amore is offering.
এটা তো তাহলে ট্রাই করতেই হবে আমাদেরকে definitely. If that is how he has described this particular cake. So this is what it looks like. It's humongous. What is it? 2 kgs or 1 kg?
It's a 1 kg cake.
1 kg. Okay, that's great. So this is what it looks like. Like he's already mentioned, it has oodles and oodles of different types of exotic dry fruits. I can see cherry, I can see lemon, I can see orange, I can see dry fruits, of course. Guys, this is not for the faint-hearted at all. This has so much of fruits in it, so much of dry fruits as well as exotic fruits. This is going to spoil you. I think we are very lucky that we're having this at the end, because if we were to try this at the beginning, we would not like the other items at all. I think barring the choco cherry cake, which is my favorite for sure, that is a must try. If after that you're looking for an option, then if you have a budget, of course, this is going to be a little pricey compared to the other items, but this is going to spoil you. This is the ultimate Christmas cake from the house of Mio Amore. I think we've tried out a lot of items today, and we could barely have a single slice of each because we had a lot of items to try out. But I think this one particular request which we have, especially Zisha, whatever items that we've tried today, we would want them to obviously not be thrown away, and we would not like to take them away. We would like these cakes to be distributed amongst the people around. That will be really nice.
Sure.
That can be arranged by you.
Absolutely.
So that will be something which is possible if it's possible.
Sure.
It will be really nice. Thank you so much. তুমি তাহলে এটাকে সরিয়ে দাও এই পার্টটাকে তুমি শুধু কাট আউট করে দিয়ে বাকি পার্টটা তো পুরো ঠিক আছে তুমি ওটাকে স্লাইস করে তাহলে ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করো
Here are your hampers for helping us with the shoot.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
What was our experience at the Mio Amore for the Christmas special vlog? We had an amazing time over here trying out the Christmas special items. We've already told you what our favorite was. Do let us know if you've tried out these items and if you have a similar experience or even if it's a different experience, do let us know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family during the occasion. And if you have not subscribed to FoodZpah yet, please do the same. Until next time, this is FoodZpah wrapping up from the Khidirpur. Cheers.
First of all, I would like to welcome FoodZpah. We are here today. This is our newest shop, which we have opened recently. We have all the varieties which Mio Amore is offering, like the pastries, gatos, and all the dry cakes of our Christmas offerings are also here. For the past 28 years, the family of Mio Amore has been serving consistently good quality products at an affordable price. And we have been able to be a part of everyone's celebration. May that be wedding, anniversary, or birthdays. They have a cake. So this is how we have been able to be a part of everyone's happiness. That's why we would say people have chosen us, and that's why it can be an answer why Mio Amore. বালিগঞ্জ থেকে বনগা, কালীঘাট থেকে কল্যাণী, সবার স্বাদের এক ঠিকানা, সবার প্রিয় মিও আমোরে।